Hi guys, this is Mradul and you're watching me on India Voyage. Everything just like a normal kid. So I picked up guitar, I guess at the age of 15, somewhat around 14, 15. It was 2011, I remember. So 10th standard, then 10th, 11th, 12th, I did that most of the time. The basic plan I had was just to have a course, just to stay around music, and I could find BBLLB, right, for 5 years. You're sorted there. Okay, so I was like just working around like with time, managing time and all things during my graduation, continuing with music throughout. Then got into music full time, yeah, after that. Music is not something you would really imagine your kid to, take it full time, right? Especially, I am from Meerut. Over there, it's not like every kid is doing that. Okay. So, I mean, they had insecurities. They were like pretty tensed also. Then we got I did one session during my stay here in Pune, and that video got aired on this MTV Indies. Okay, so then they were like, okay, this is fine. The learning process, if we talk about, it was pretty easy compared to the people who have been learning before us, because we are born in the internet world, right? And we we got access to a lot of lessons from all around the world, right? That actually helped me a lot. My playing, whatever I could grab, it was mainly that thing only. Yeah, so the kind of music we play is metal, right? I like to play metal when it comes to playing it live. Okay, so the kind of audience we have, it's very specific. It's not like the normal crowd that will come to just have the booze over there to the venue or something, just chill. It's not like that. They'll come to watch you. Okay, they'll stand, they'll do whatever just to watch you there, and they actually go crazy, and that's what we like. It's all about the energy. Yeah, I mean, it's crazy support all the time. So Dead Exaltation we formed, and we started doing a few gigs around. With competitions we started, we just wanted to get the feel of the stage, and we formed this band in 2013, I remember, 2013-14. And yeah, I'm still a part of it. Initially, I mean, a lot of international bands, for sure. Our sound is international, I would say. We with some of the bands, then we later on formed Shwa. Okay, we are another set of five musicians. Aditya is still a part of it, obviously. So yeah, over there we have some Indian influences also, like we talk about Indian mythology and all. But other groups, we are mainly focusing on the heavy style of music, presenting that to people so that they get to know about the music more. Because I teach also, and the main purpose behind teaching is just to let people know that there's better music. You can develop your ears. You can listen to better music. I mostly take Skype lessons, and yeah, a few students here, few students. I am too busy right now making my own music. Okay, so later on, whatever, if we get a really good, project, which I would also like to work for, then we'll think. So it's like that plan. I mean, it's not like plan, kind of like that, getting into Bollywood music. But yeah, we are making a hell lot of music right now. Uh, Actually, most of the parents also we meet, I like to meet a lot of people from different groups. Okay, just to know, because we write about that, right? Our stories are anything. So yeah, I mean, most of the people, they are confused. Should our kids really pursue this? Just because they have an idea, like it's always revolving around that, drugs especially, and even booze. Yeah, but I have actually worked with so many musicians. It's not the easy way out, right? So they actually understand how they need to work, and you have to get rid of things sometimes or keep it limited. So you understand how it's going to work out for you. I mean, I like to work, man. I mean, you look at this place also. It's really beautiful if you go to the balcony. You know, the purpose is basically that only, so that you stay in that same zone, you can compose anytime. You can just pick up the guitar and you'll feel good only. Right now, we are planning for an international tour. We really want to do that. Okay. I can just tell you that right now. Okay. Some more gigs around, and we are going to release an album on 13th. There are few more music coming out. So, I mean, the concrete plan right now is basically just to release a lot of material by the end of this year and even next year. So I play with Kill Count. I play with Dead Exaltation. Dead Exaltation is the first band we formed here, and I play with Shua. I I played with Adamantium India also for like couple of years. Okay, then we have disbanded now, and I am doing a few sessions here and there. So whatever kind of sessions I like doing, some people I really like working with. If you get into composing once, I don't really think you can step out, because there is you won't like it. You won't like it at all. You can't. It's like a drug, an addiction. Okay, if you start liking composing, playing guitar, anybody can do that. Playing keyboard, drums, anyone can do that. But when you start writing about things, how you feel about yourself, your story, it can be anything, any story, basically any emotion, anything. So I don't really think you can step out, but yeah, people realize it later on also. But the thing is, yeah, you should really learn something or the other for sure. It really helps. I mean, don't indulge into anything random, I mean, you'll do part-time work with this, you'll do this, you'll do that, you'll do that. I mean, we have to do it. Karna padta hai. We all know that. You need some money also coming in. Like we teach, okay. We try to make more money with the band also, so that we can sustain, yeah, basically. The bands can sustain. So that's what, I mean, they are not able to figure out. There's a phase like that also. We know that. So, I mean, you have to think beyond, it's not like in just 1 year you'll be able to achieve something. So 4 5 years you can plan it accordingly. That's how we have been planning things. Like, see yourself in 5 more years, how you will, where you want to reach. It's okay if you're not able to reach there. Your goals are higher. Maybe in 10 years, right? Just keep a track of it. If you want to get into it completely. There's It's not an easy way out for sure. Some people realize it later on. They pick up the instrument just for the sake of it. Okay, they think like they'll be able to make it in just 1 year, but then you get to know, yeah, by the end of it, ki it's not like that. Everybody is struggling around you. There are many actually. Six guitars, 7 string, 6 string, different bands, different guitars, because different tunings, yeah, different sound of the band. So basically, I have different faces right now, you know. So yeah, that's how it is. We are playing different kind of music, but it's one kind of music, together. We basically do all the recordings here, and for mixing and the post production, we send it to the guys we trust, really. Like we have Akash Shepper from Siliguri. So he's the guy who travels here and takes all the projects. Okay, he comes here to record drums also, because drum recording is actually very difficult to do, and you need the right guy, who's mixing the music also. Thanks for having me here, man. Thank you. Do subscribe to India Voyage for more amazing content.